Welcome back to the channel. If you love premium SUVs, futuristic designs, and next-level tech, then you're in the right place. Today, we're taking an exclusive and ultra-realistic look at the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4, a model that has shocked the automotive world with its bold redesign, luxury-grade presence, and performance upgrades. So make sure to watch till the end, because this next-gen RAV4 is something you've never seen before. Let's begin right at the front, where the 2026 RAV4 greets you with its aggressive new face. The luxury pearl white finish combined with that massive, sculpted grille instantly gives it a premium SUV attitude. The razor-sharp LED headlights with triple-beam DRLs look absolutely stunning, and the hood lines reflect modern aerodynamic shaping. Under the showroom lights, the entire front end looks like it's carved for pure dominance. This isn't just a facelift, this is a statement. Moving to the full body shot, you can see Toyota has taken the design language to a whole new level. The wide, muscular stance, redesigned bumper cuts, and gloss black accents give it a futuristic and sporty personality. The white paint glows with every reflection in the high-end showroom environment, making the SUV look like it's ready for a luxury photo shoot. Now let's slide to the side view, where things get really interesting. With all doors open, the 2026 RAV4 reveals an interior that feels genuinely premium. The craftsmanship inside is noticeably upgraded. The cabin welcomes you with rich leather seats, beautiful stitching, and a clean modern dashboard. The digital instrument cluster and large infotainment display are sharper, brighter, and more responsive than ever before. The door panels and trims have been completely redesigned to give the interior a more upscale feel. Sitting inside, you instantly notice the new panoramic sunroof stretching across the cabin, flooding everything with natural light. The seats feel luxurious, the ambient LEDs glow softly, and the entire cabin gives off a warm, high-tech vibe. Toyota has clearly focused on comfort, refinement, and premium ambience. Even the roof design inside has improved insulation and improved soundproofing, making the ride smoother and quieter. Now stepping back outside, the top side angle shows off the aerodynamic roofline, the panoramic glass, and those stylish alloy wheels. The 2026 RAV4 looks like a perfect blend of adventure and luxury, rugged enough for long trips, yet elegant enough for city life. And as we move to the rear, you get a closer look at the sporty taillights, the bold spoiler, and the upgraded bumper styling. Everything feels modern, clean, and extremely well executed. This SUV truly stands out whether it's inside a showroom or out in the real world. So that is your complete, all-angle walkthrough of the 2026 Toyota RAV4, exterior, interior, features, and design upgrades. If you enjoyed this detailed look, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future premium car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.